friends, today's recipe is healthy beetroot dosa. You can take 1 or 2 beetroot, cut it and make a fine paste. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of semolina. Add the salt as per taste. Now take the cumin, add it. I am preparing more, so I am adding more. So take the whatever we have prepared, a beetroot puree, mix it well. Take the finely chopped green chilies. You can chop finely. Add the curry leaves finely chopped. Add the coriander finely chopped. Mix it well. You can take beetroot how much you want. Beetroot is very good for health. You can add. I have used more beetroot. So you can use, otherwise you can use how much you want. Beetroot is the antioxidant. It will clean our stomach, keep us fully. Add finely chopped onion. I use chopper, you can use chopper also. So make the consistency properly. You can add water based on your consistency. If you want thin dosa, you can make it thin, or thick, you can make it thick, but as wheat flour more. So now we are preparing for chutney. This is a spicy pudina chutney. You can see it. Clean the pudina and take it. Coriander, take it. 2 or 1 chilies, garlic, ginger, roasted chana dal. You can add it more. Cumin, salt as per the taste, rock salt you can use, or whatever you have. Add the water, make it fine paste. Our spicy pudina chutney is ready. Take a pan, make it hot, apply the oil and start preparing the dosas. This is already hot. You can make it sim and see, you can keep the dosa batter. Make it however thickness you want. Close it with lid, let it cook it properly. Our dosa is ready. You can see it. Cook it, flip it, cook it one more side. Our dosa is ready now. See it, how is the color, texture. Now prepare a tadka for chutney. Take a 2 small teaspoon oil. Let it be hot. Add urad dal, 1 small teaspoon. Let it saute it properly. Now you can add mustard, 1 small teaspoon. Now curry leaves you can add. Close the lid, otherwise whatever you are shooting, your camera will destroy. So now add it cumin, mix it well and keep this tadka into the chutney. So chutney is ready. See, you can add the lemon juice. It will give nice taste. This is a spicy pudina chutney is ready. Our healthy beetroot dosa and chutney is ready. If you like the videos, please hit the like button and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.